Okay.
I've heard about this guy. I think
Whoa!
he's known in Star Wars.
Whoa!
Crusher.
Hey, we got stuff going on here. Get out of here. Oh no, here we go. Look at that. Holy whipping. Oh my word. The camper crasher. Oh, you did it, boy. Look at that. How did you get a scratch on the front of that Fusion? Oh my word! The camper crasher! Wow!
Look at that thing.
Wait a minute, somebody go get me a hot dog or a marshmallow. I want to roast a hot dog or a marshmallow right now.
Did we ever figure out whose camper that was?
Nope.
Who parked here?
Nope. It was somebody got lost on the way to Old Orchard, I guess.
Oops. Well,
Labyrinth boys.
tell them yeah, their camper is hot.
She is really a fire, Joseph.
Wow. Look at that thing.
Serious burning here. Oh my word. I gotta go up top where I can see this better. I don't know why they wouldn't let me stay up there while they were going through.
Hey, you might have burned your eyebrows off. That was a pretty good fireball.
Yeah. Yeah. See, that reminds me when I was in the fire department up in Norway. A lady called up and said her house is on fire. And I asked her, what are you doing about it? She said, putting water on it. And I said, that's all we do. And I hung up. They aren't gonna wet us, David. Come on, stand up front here, right in front of me, buddy. Here, I'll get you some water. Spoil sports. What do you think? Was that a good thing to start out with tonight? Holy, look at the debris of it. There's the, what do you call it? The blower over the stove right there. Oh my gosh.
Hey, if you got pictures of that, definitely upload them. Hashtag Beech Ridge, Day of Destruction.
I hope nobody was sitting on the toilet. Holy crap.
They got a rude awakening. Very rude.
Wow. That was, I can't believe how smooth he went through that.
That was nice. You could almost race that.
And it ain't like you got a chance to practice.